Hi, my dear friend. Welcome to SpeakNowEnglish.com. I'd like to give you one of the best opportunity in your life. Now, if you want to become a native speaker of English, this is the right time. You can join with us with the SpeakNowEnglish.com. This is SpeakNowEnglish.com. You can learn wherever you are. Where you are, you can learn the English. And this is the completely online learning system. Along with this online learning system, we'll give you one of the best support of life on the Zoom. So if you are joining for the 3 months class, you are getting a 6-month complimentary free and you are getting a Zoom live for the 6 month. If you are joining for the 6-month class, you are getting a completely 12 live session for the Zoom. Now, one of the best moment of this class is that you can learn wherever you are. Now this Speak Now English is training. We are training, I am training since 2003. So from 2003 to till now, we have already got so many success stories, and we teach from creative and practical method. One thing you should remember it, this language can't be remembered. Language को याद नहीं किया जा सकता है, language को सिर्फ create किया जा सकता है. जैसे आप हिंदी बोलते हैं, जैसे आप मराठी बोलते हैं, गुजराती बोलते हैं, तेलुगु बोलते हैं, तमिल बोलते हैं, जैसे आप अदर भाषा बोलते हैं अपने इंडिया के जो मदर टंग्स हैं या जो दुनिया की कोई भी मदर टंग है, जिस तरह से उसको क्रिएट किया जाता है, उसी तरह से इंग्लिश को भी आप क्रिएट करके बोल सकते हैं. इंग्लिश एक ऐसी भाषा है जो दुनिया का नंबर 1 अंतरराष्ट्रीय भाषा है, नंबर 1 इंटरनेशनल लैंग्वेज है, जो मोर देन 100 कंट्रीज में बोला जाता है. स्पेशली इन आवर कंट्री, इन इंडिया, आवर वन ऑफ द मोस्ट इंपॉर्टेंट लैंग्वेज इज इंग्लिश एज ऑफ नाउ, because you can understand we have a different segment of the mother tongue speaker in all corners of in our India. We have a more than 22 constitutional languages in India, right? So this is the one of the best opportunity that you can learn, and you can learn with your own pace. इसमें कोई जरूरी नहीं है कि आप क्लास में आए, क्लास में बैठना है, टाइम नहीं है. आप कहीं भी, कहीं पर भी आप इस इंग्लिश को सीख सकते हैं. और हमारा जो इंग्लिश सिखाने का तरीका है वो 100% क्रिएटिव, प्रैक्टिकल एंड मेडिटेशनल है. ये जिस तरह से आप हिंदी में बात करते हैं, जिस तरह से आप अपने मातृभाषा में बात करते हैं, जो भी भाषा आप बोलते हैं, उसी तरह से आप इंग्लिश को क्रिएट कर सकते हैं. अगर कोई भी आदमी ये कहता है कि इंग्लिश को याद किया जा सकता है, ये किसी भी तरह से प्रोसेस पॉसिबल नहीं है. बिकॉज आप कोई भी भाषा को याद करके नहीं बोल सकते, बिकॉज दैट script you can't remember it. What you'll have to do, you'll have to create the sentence from your mouth. Now if you are sitting in front of in your somebody's friends, if you are sitting some of the office, if you are walking, if you are in the garden, if you are at the coffee shop, if you are at the supermarket, if you are at the any places of your convenient, you can create your sentences and you're going to become a speaker of English. So one of the best part to become a speaker of English is that you learn from the creative method. What is the creative method? The creative method is that will allow you automatically to speak the situation. And what is the best part of this? You need to go through the grammatical part. Grammar is the backbone of any language. Since English is not your mother tongue, so to become a fluent native speaker of English, you will have to learn the basic grammar. What is the basic grammar? Grammar is very vast. We study grammar from the beginning, from childhood to up to graduation, masters. We study grammar. No need to remember all grammar. No need to study all grammar. This SpeakNowEnglish.com has developed only 7 chapters, and with the help of this 7 chapter, you can become a fluent speaker of English. This 7 chapter has been already completed within a 7 days, and within a 7 days that everything you can remember on your tongue. For example, I can tell you, if you want to become a native speaker of English, your tongue should be twisted with the aim, is, are, has, have, was, were, can, could, may, might, should, would, have, would have. These all things should be fitted with your tongue. So how we train? We train from the creative and practical method, and one day you will become a successful speaker of English. Means this process will allow you automatically, you will become a speaker. Within a few days, within 1 day, 2 days, 3 days, if you will start doing this exercise, automatic your tongue will twist with the aim, is, are, was, were, shall be, will be, has, have, had, shall have, will have. These all things will fit with your tongue, and you can create your sentences. You can create your all the situational communication. So friends, I can tell you one thing. You can join with our spoken English class. That is a completely online. We have a live session also. We are giving complimentary live session on that, right? So you can join with us. We have a live session. We have an online speaking classes, and you can enjoy to become a native speaker of English. So I wish you all the best. God bless you.